Hey guys, good morning. This is day 2 at Cochin. Interesting thing is it's raining. So I don't think I will be able to take the sunrise, but the view would be really great. Let's see. Waiting for it's morning, just maybe around 6 a.m. now. Waiting for the sunrise. So guys, welcome back. Day 2 exploring Cochin, Chepanam house, and we are now leaving to Athirapally Waterfalls. Athirapally Waterfalls is very popular place. You might have seen the movie Bahubali. The waterfalls was shot there. I don't know whether there would be water now. Anyway, we are going to Athirapally Waterfalls. That's the plan 1 for day 2 exploring Cochin. Morning it's office hours though. You'll see lots of traffic, vehicles, two-wheelers. Before it gets too crowded, I think we should leave the city. This is Kallur Stadium, very popular stadium. It's a place where international matches happen, even IPL, even World Cup matches have happened here. That's Athirapally St. George Church. That's the old church and this is the new one. Just near the metro station of Athirapally and even the Lulu Mall also. Where's the Lulu Mall? The Lulu Mall is at that side, and if you're coming near Lulu Mall, you should come and visit this place. Looks really great. It's really beautiful. It's amazing. You should come and see this place. I liked it very much. Photography is not allowed inside the church, so I cannot show you anything inside. You should come here and see that. This looks very big, very nicely done. This is a really good piece of work. That's Lulu Mall, and you see from metro you can get in directly into Lulu Mall. See that entrance. We have taken a different route. This is a shortcut actually, and the scenic beauty is amazing. So that's what we took this route. Usually it's the highway, the other road. The roads are narrow here, but it's good. You can drive and come. This route is via Vettilapara. So if you want, if you are coming and if you are interested in taking this short route, you can tell your driver that to take this Vettilapara route. ₹40 is the entrance fee for adult. Kids, I think it is ₹20, and ₹20 parking, ₹300 for video camera. That's the Athirapally Waterfalls, Bahubali fame. This is the view from the top point. This is the place where the waterfall is originating. We'll go down and have a look. It's really very hot, burning hot. This view is really amazing. You should come and experience it. Water is fairly there. You can see this, and there's one here also. Worth it. You have to climb up now. That would be a tough task. Now it's climbing up time. It's going to be tough. So this was a good climb. Not as tough as Sigiriya rock climb in Sri Lanka, but really nice, worth going down and watching the waterfalls from very close by. If you are going to Vazhachal, it's a small waterfall. It's basically for scenic beauty, good water bodies and something like that. I don't know. Let's see. It's forest. There's a waterfall here. So we are currently at Vazhachal Falls. That's Athirapally Falls, Chalakudi River. This is Sholayar. That's also a very beautiful place. I want to go there. Not now, sometime. Done with the Athirapally waterfalls and Vazhachal waterfalls. So these two waterfalls and excellent ride between these forests. It's a bit dried up, but the scenic beauty is speechless or amazing, I can say. We are going to have lunch at Adam in the Chayakada, Adam's tea shop. It's a very popular place. I've been to their shop in Calicut.
Meals ഉണ്ട്, ബിരിയാണി ഉണ്ട്, ചപ്പാത്തി, പൊറോട്ട, പത്തിരി, കപ്പ.
കപ്പ ഞാൻ കപ്പ കഴിക്കാം. കറി
ഫിഷ് ഉണ്ട്, ചിക്കൻ ഉണ്ട്, ഡക്ക് ഉണ്ട്, മട്ടൺ ഉണ്ട്, എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട്.
ഓക്കെ. ഞാൻ കപ്പയും ഫിഷ് കറി. ബിരിയാണി മതി.
ചിക്കൻ ഉണ്ട്, മട്ടൺ ഉണ്ട്, ബീഫ് ബിരിയാണി ഉണ്ട്. അവിടെ ബീഫ് റോസ്റ്റും ബിരിയാണി റൈസ് അങ്ങനെ തരാം.
That's beef curry, fish curry, kappa and biryani. This is mutton biryani.
അതിരപ്പള്ളി പോയിട്ട് തിരിച്ചു വരുന്ന വഴിയാണ് ഫുഡ് കഴിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി.
ആ ശരി ശരി, ഞങ്ങൾ ഊണ് കഴിക്കാൻ പോവാം.
ഞങ്ങൾ ഭക്ഷണം കഴിച്ചു. മൈസൂരാക്കി കൊടുക്കണ്ടെന്ന് എന്നോട് ആക്കിയാൽ മതി.
So guys, the lunch was really good, authentic Kerala food, but this was not the same Adam's Chayakada which I had visited in Calicut. That's a different chain. They have few restaurants in Kochi. Food was good. No. We are entering Kumbalangi Model Village. This is a village promoting tourism, and this is very popular for a Malayalam movie called Kumbalangi Nights. It's basically backwaters, and let's see what exactly it is. I was planning to stay here. In fact, my first booking was at a homestay here, but there was some issue with the inventory and they had to cancel that. So, and I had to go to other place called Kumbalam. So I just mistook it. I asked them whether it's the same place. They told me it's the same place, but that was not the same place. Finally, I've reached Kumbalangi. This is really amazing place. This is a place where that Kumbalangi movies, Kumbalangi Nights movies was shot. And you see this backwaters, and this is being developed as a place for ecotourism. This is the restaurant where we are going for dinner. This is a very popular restaurant here. It's called Kayaloram. Kayaloram. ഇവിടെ എന്തുണ്ട് സ്പെഷ്യാലിറ്റി?
നമുക്ക് ഇടിയിറച്ചിപ്പുട്ടുണ്ട്, ചിക്കൻ പുട്ടുണ്ട്, കക്കപ്പുട്ട്, ഇറച്ചിപ്പുട്ട്,
എല്ലാം പുട്ട് ഐറ്റം.
പുട്ട് 5 വെറൈറ്റി ആയിട്ട്, പിന്നെ ഇറച്ചി കപ്പ ഉണ്ടാവും, പൊട്ടിക്കപ്പയുണ്ട്, പിന്നെ കറിയായിട്ട് ബീഫ് ബിന്ദാലും ഉണ്ടാവും, ബീഫ് കറി, പൊട്ടിക്കറി ഉണ്ട്, പൊട്ടിക്കറി, ചിക്കൻ ഫ്രൈ ഉണ്ട്, ഇടിയിറച്ചി ഉണ്ട്, കൊത്തു പൊറോട്ട ഉണ്ട്, ഫിഷ് കറി ഉണ്ട്.
ഓക്കെ. അപ്പം വൈകിട്ട് 7 മണിക്ക് തുറക്കും, 11 മണിക്ക് അടയ്ക്കും,
12:30 വരെ ഉണ്ടാവും.
12:30 വരെ. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. The ambience is really impressive. Now let me taste the food. Kayaloram means Kayal means backwaters and Oram means bank. I don't know exactly the exact word in English. Let me find out.
നോർമലി പുട്ടുണ്ട്, പിന്നെ മിക്സ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പുട്ടുണ്ട്.
അത് ഫുൾ പീസ് ആയിട്ട് വരുള്ളൂ.
ചിരട്ട
ബീഫ് മതി.
ഞാൻ ഒരു
ബീഫ് പുട്ടാ.
ഞാനൊരു ഇത് കക്കപ്പുട്ട്.
ചായ ചേട്ടാ.
എനിക്കൊരു സ്ട്രോങ് വിത്തൗട്ട്.
ചേട്ടാ വിത്തൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടാകത്തില്ല, സെറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചേക്കണായിരിക്കും.
ഓക്കെ.
ബ്ലാക്ക് ടീ ഉണ്ടാവും.
ബ്ലാക്ക് ടീ ആണ്
വിത്തൗട്ട്.
വിത്തൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടാകത്തില്ല, മധുരം.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. മധുരം എനിക്ക് വേണ്ട. അല്ലാതെ വേറെ എന്തുണ്ട്?
അതിൽ ചായ മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ.
അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ വെള്ളം കുടിച്ചോ. വേണോ ചായ പറഞ്ഞു?
വേണ്ട ചായ വേണ്ട, ഞാൻ കുടിച്ചല്ലേ പോയിട്ട്.
ഇത് ഇറച്ചിപ്പുട്ട്, ഇത് കക്കപ്പുട്ട്. താങ്ക്സ്. പുട്ടിനകത്ത് വെച്ച് both of us got puttu. That's beef and puttu, and this is mussels. Mussels. This is mussels. Yeah, that's fine.
ചൂടാ കഴിച്ചു നോക്കട്ടോ. ഇഷ്ടമായോ?
ഇത് ഇതിനകത്ത് they steam it, keeping inside, and it's good. I think initially they'll cook it and then they will put inside the puttu and steam it. The food is really good. I liked it. They have very fixed menu. They have different varieties of puttu with mussels, with prawns, with chicken, with beef, and then they have tapioca. Then few limited menu, but it's really great. Hot. So guys, I'm winding up. Had a wonderful trip.